Higher education is the goal, so why not show kids what flies? They actually took that literally at Norwich Free Academy. On the ground level, it's a healthcare career fair. But look up. This career fair has a bit more flair.
We have never done this. We have never done this.
I was like speechless, like there's a helicopter landing at my high school.
For students at NFA, Norwich Free Academy, they're getting their props, courtesy of Lifestar.
We at Lifestar have 3 helicopters.
The school has teamed with Hartford Healthcare's Backus Hospital.
All of us have our paramedic licenses.
This is the exclamation point of their healthcare pathway program.
It is really to expose all of our students, grades 9 through 12, to the many different career options in the healthcare.
We load and offload the patients from the back.
But this is an opportunity for students to see yet one more very cool opportunity in healthcare.
These are our future healthcare employees that will be taking care of us. So giving them the opportunity to see all of the pieces that are included in healthcare. You know, there's IT, there's respiratory, there's doctors, there's a kitchen, there's environmental services, patient transport. I mean, it takes a village to run a hospital system and to take care of patients.
As part of the program, NFA senior Jaden Williams has been working as an intern inside the Backus Hospital ER.
Getting this experience really like opened my eyes to all the experience that you can get in the healthcare path. It's like a lot of options that you can go into, and it's really nice that I can get this opportunity to see this, and they're talking about it.
The whole medical side of it is pretty interesting to me. I mean, I did the EMT program here, and so I like the medical stuff.
And while today the football field is a landing pad, it's also meant to be a launch point.
They're so excited about this. You see them like it clicks, right? The light bulb goes on and like, I think I want to know more about this. And that's great.
And their group here continues to grow. Currently, NFA has around 100 students in their healthcare pathway program. In Norwich, Jim Altman, Fox 61.